guys, Octavia aka Double O Styles, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, it's my birthday, so I have to show y'all this wig that I think I'm going to wear today for my birthday. Even though we are in quarantining or whatever and we can't go nowhere, I'm going to make the best of my birthday. I ordered a couple wigs, okay, because I didn't know, I couldn't decide what color I was going with. I didn't know exactly what outfit I was gonna wear, but I got one of my outfits in for my boutique. Y'all gonna love it. I'm gonna show y'all a picture at the end of my three-piece black outfit. This is one of the pieces. It's just a crop top for right now, but I got like a three-piece with the little jacket shawl thing and the leggings that come with it. So if you guys want to order the outfit that is at the end of the video, I'll have the link provided below. But let's get back to it because I need to get this hair finished so I can take these pictures and stuff for my boutique, honey. Today we have a melted hairline lace front wig. What caught my attention when I was going on the website or whatever to order a wig was this girl right here. Like, I really like the way she looks. She's just really cute, and I just like hair like that with a lot of body, and the color was really cute, but I decided to go with a different color. The title of this wig is CATALINA. It is a melted hairline, so it has a frontal hairline effect in the front, which we will get to that part in a minute. It had baby hair included, and it is pre-attached to a wide elastic band, which is good because if you have a big head or a small head, you can adjust those straps for it to fit. The color we have is DRFF2/brown sugar, and I wanted like a blondish color because I have a red one that I wore yesterday, but I want to see how this little blonde, this little dirty blonde brown sugar wig gonna do me. Okay, we have to see which one is the best so I can see what I'm gonna wear today. Okay. If you haven't already, press the subscribe button and press the notification button so when I post my next video, you will be on alert, baby. You will know when I post it, so you can go ahead and view that thing, boo boo. So yeah, let's get right into it. So this is how the front of the card looks. 3 combs. 2 in the front, 1 in the back, and it has this ombre effect.
Who's calling me? Well, I'm in my video. I'm in my
bag right now, bro. I'm in my bag. I'm working, bro.
Okay, so I just placed it on my head, and this is how the front looks. Like, I'm really liking this color already, baby. Yes, ma'am. Do you see it? Do you feel what I'm saying right now, though? Do y'all feel what I'm saying when I say I like this color already? And it got the little part ready and prepared for the kid. And I like how it starts off with like a dark color. It starts off with an ombre feel, like honey blonde. Like, it's just really cute. Like, I think I'm gonna wear this one for my birthday tonight. So yeah, I'm gonna cut the lace right fast, and I will be right back. Okay, so I cut the lace, and so now I'm about to use Got To Be Glued, and I am just about to spray. I'm gonna pull it back a little bit because I want to use my edges some in the front.
pull it out a little bit. Wow.
There's some Got To Be Glued on my edges so they can stay.
Ooh, child.
But I had to put a little bit of extra because who knows what the night made, you know, it might get a little crazy tonight. You know, I'm gonna be drinking a little bit, you know, it's a little turn up session or whatnot. This is gonna go good with my black outfit. I need to spray this part too, because I don't need that thing to be sliding up tonight either. I need that thing to be right, right, baby. So what I'm doing is I'm combing my edges down. And I'm using some of the edges that they supplied on this wig as well. See, I can do edges better when it's black. When they blend in with mine, I do way better. Then it feels a whole nother color and I gotta make it blend in some way. And I'm gonna take some powder right here because you can kind of see it up in this area really good. It's like a really blunt brown. I'm gonna try to make it blend in a little bit better with my skin.
What's on my own powder?
Next step, so I'm gonna comb it out a little bit. Normally I see people put a little scarf on. I'll put that on in a minute because I need to get this done immediately. I'm loving this little wave to it. Y'all see that? That is cute. Y'all can't even tell me that's not cute. Here's our part right here. What I am going to do, I'm going to put a little bit of foundation on that just so it could blend and stand out a little bit better. Looks like we do have a little bit of shedding. I don't know if y'all can see that good, but just a little bit. But shoot, this wig is worth the shedding, baby. It's not too much where I wouldn't buy it again. Like, of course, most wigs, they're going to go through just a little bit of shedding. But it all depends on what's worth it and what's not. And this one here is worth it. So, how we feeling, boo-boo? How we feeling, mommy? Y'all like this? Because I do too. I love it. I love this brown sugar color, honey. I'm gonna be so cute tonight for my birthday. Like, I can't wait to show y'all these pictures. Make sure y'all stay towards the end of this video so y'all can see my pictures, my birthday pictures. You guys, let me know in the comment how you feel about this wig. For me, I really love this wig. I love this color. I love the body. I love the hair flips, the curls. And it's just perfect for the birthday. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to be cute tonight or whatever. So make sure you check out my video and my picture at the end of my outfit that I'm wearing. It will be featured on my website. Discount code at the bottom as well. So if you need a little extra off, girl, I got you, boo-boo. Make sure you press the subscribe button so when I post the next video, you will have that alert. And thank you guys once again so much for watching. And happy birthday to the kid. Ew. So I'll see y'all later. Love you.